Hi guys, I'm going to do an overview of the Zanussi for you, because I haven't done one yet. Here we go. Zanussi Aquacycle 1000. On off, it's not plugged in. Spin reduction, quick wash, half load. Zanussi quality. FLA1002W, as you know. 13 programs. Meant to have a 5 kilo drum that only takes 4.5 kilos, but the machine has the smallest drum of all my machines. It's smaller in size. I think it goes my hot point being the biggest drum of 4.1. My Twisty Bendix has second biggest, probably about 4, and it's a Bendix with about 3 point something, and then this one is probably about 3 kilo or something. It doesn't seem, it should be quite a big drum, but it's smaller than the Bendix, amazingly. Right, let's stop that back in there. Right. Here they are there. Zanussi, model number, product number, 230, 240 volt, 50 hertz, 2050 watt, made in Italy, type P6596364, IPX4, whatever that is, 10 amp machine, serial number 3040026, product number 914789774. Door glass there. Quite thick. Or thin even. Plastic deteriorated, obviously. Right, here we have programs A, white pre-wash, 95, B, white's 95, C, cotton 60, D, non-fast colours 40, C is meant to be fast colours, shall I say. F is hand rinses. On A, B, C and D, rinses as default are 3, but if I put the machine on F, like separately, it will do 4 rinses, which is strange. G, fast spin, 1000 RPM, long spin even. Then we got stop. H, mixed fabrics 50. J, 1130. Stop. K, short spin, 650 RPM. Stop. L, woolens, 40. M, delicates 40. N, freshen up, which is basically a delicate's final rinse. Stop there. P is drain, and then we got the last stop there. Yeah, it's actually quite clean, to be honest. I mean, there's hardly any mould on the door seal. Just picks up limescale easily. Right. Here, pre-wash compartment, main wash compartment, softener. Push there to get the drawer out. Inside the drawer housing. Again, very clean. And then you just snap back in and slide the drawer in and it'll go in. That's a piece of junk, this thing. Here it says check the fluff filter regularly. Important that the appliance is in use, and depending on the program selected, there can be hot water in the filter. Never remove the filter during a wash cycle. Always wait until the appliance is finished the cycle and is empty. When replacing the filter, ensure that it is security retightened so as to stop leaks and young children being able to remove it. And yeah, there's the filter there. On there, you can't really see it very well. There's drawings of how to take the filter out. Just take it out for you, if I can. Again, very clean. There was a rust spot that came up when in use, just down here. Right in the corner there. It's gradually getting worse as it's sitting around. All other corners apart from there seem fine. There is a rust spot coming up there, but it's not done anything yet. Right then. Right. Bendix is just sat there. Alright, so that's the overview of the Zanussi FLA1002W. Thanks for watching, bye.